Good morning, friends, for 9th standard. In last lecture, we have completed chapter number 13. Yesterday, we have also given the exam of it also. Now, today, we want to start one new chapter, that is chapter number 7. So again say to you, when we are go through the online videos or lecture, you have to write the important point, that whatever we discuss in a class, online class. So chapter number 7 again related with chapter number 6. In chapter number 6 already we have discussed about the lines and angles. So related with the lines and angles, there is a one chapter, chapter number 7, that is triangle. Again in 10th standard, same chapter is there, chapter number 6, that is in 10th. Name of chapter is triangle. So today we want to discuss the introduction related with the triangle. Anyone give the definition of triangle? You can. Or by using the lines and angle, we can generate triangle. So simple definition of triangle is, we can say, union of three line segment. So today we go through the introduction. In introduction, tri means 3. Tri means 3. 1, 2, 3. When triangle, it's a symbolic form, or it's a figure. We cannot say symbol, it's a figure. Here I am light one line, again here 2 and 3. It means they are different. Now you have studied about the triangle of various properties in earlier classes. So you know that if I will ask to sum of angle of triangle, then what you will say? 180. Now type of triangles, then we can say right angle triangle according to the degree. According to the degree, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle. According to the side, we can say that equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. So that already we have discussed in 6th or earlier, in chapter number 6 or earlier. So main parts we have to write. So from here, what is the meaning of triangle? So here it is close. You have to write this. A closed figure formed by 3 intersecting lines is called triangle. Now if I will say one line is at here, another line is like that, it's a line, another line is like that, then you will see the figure is triangle. So first, a closed figure, you have to write in capital here. In your introduction, definition first, or define. What is define? What is triangle? A closed figure formed by 3 intersecting lines is called triangle. Now we can say something more about it. That is the second point. Here you have to write 3 means, tri means 3. Second point, a triangle has 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides. You can name from the figure, that is AB, here BC, here AC. So that is the second point. Now, for example, in triangle, so we can say triangle is denoted by symbol triangle ABC. That is the third point. First point, second point, and third point. Fourth point, AB, BC, and CA are the three sides of. So first, second, third. Now here it is fourth point. Fifth point. Angle A, angle B, and angle C are the three angles, and A, B, and C are the vertices. That is fifth point. So first, again what you have to write in graph today, and then you have to show me first point, that is first. Up to here you have to write. Second point, a triangle has three sides, three angles, and three vertices. Triangle has three sides, three angles, and three vertices. Triangle ABC denoted by symbol triangle ABC. So first, second, and third. Now fourth. AB, BC, CA are three sides. Angle A, angle B, angle C are three angles, and angle A, B, C are three vertices. So one, here it is second point, here it is third point, here it is fourth point. So 4 point you have to write, and fifth point, someone asked how many parts triangle has. 3 sides, 3 angles, 3 vertices. So it has 9 parts. Always remember. And draw the figure of it. Here we can say symbolically angle 1. Here we can say symbolically angle 2. Here we can say symbolically angle 3. We can say symbolically angle side AB, side BC, and side 3. I think all the 4 points with this figure you have to write, draw it now. I hope you have to write, you have written this all the important 4 or 5 point with diagram. One more examples we can say. If I will write, first I rub everything, and now we go for some more slide. Again we have to study some properties of triangles, congruence of triangles in this. In chapter 6 already we have studied some properties. Here congruence of triangles, rule of congruence, and more properties and inequalities of triangle. Inequalities of triangle. And verify most of these by property in earlier class. So now next topic is congruence of triangle. First we have understand the explanation of the triangle. Now we go for the congruence of triangle. We are discussing about the congruence of triangle. So we have to draw one. figure at here. Here P, Q and R. You must have observed that two copies of photographs are same size. Two bangles of same size, two ATM cards of the same size. One rupee coin on other, you will say same size. So what we can say about the congruence? You have to write this. What is the meaning of congruent? Congruent means equal in all respects or figure whose shape and size are both same. That is a definition related with the congruent. What is the meaning of congruent? Again, congruent figure means or congruent means equal in all respect or figure whose shape and size are both same. Shape and size are both same. We can say it is congruent. In this chapter, we want to discuss related with the triangle. So again, topic is with the congruent. So congruent means what? So you have to write another one point related with the triangle. That is the important point. Congruent means equal in all respects or figure whose shape and size are of the both same. That we have to say. They cover each other completely and we call them as a congruent circle. If draw two circles with the same radius, if I will draw one circle, both are same. Here O, center P. But here if it 5 cm, here it is again 5 cm, then we can say it is a congruent. But we want to discuss related with the triangle. So in this figure, we have understood about the congruence of triangle. Simple word, figure, shape and size both are same. We can say congruent. When shape and size both are same, we can say congruent. So if I will draw one square at here, another square at here, if I will say A, B, C, D, if I will write at P, Q, R, S with same length, then we can say these two square are congruent. So different way we can discuss. Now we go here some more example related with. So squares are there, two same size. Again remember it, same size, same shape. We can say congruence. All respects we can say congruence. So you will see the different ice cream here, one modules of making ice cream cup. If you will see the whole ice cream cup, that is one of the cone. So we can say it. So chapter topic is with the triangle, but they explain with different way. One more screen we have to go because our target is that we want to understand here. Now, so first, second, third and fourth. Large squares in figure 7.3, second and third are obviously not congruent. Second and third is not congruent. Why? Because not shape is there, but size is not there. Here, not congruent to one another. Why? Because same shape is there. Same shape. Again here, same shape. But size is not same. Size not same. Again here, size not same. Now 1 and 3rd, or we can 1 and 4th we can say yes. Why? Because they are congruence on the all respect, that is same shape and same size. Same shape and same size. Again same shape and same size. So I think if you will go it deeply, now we go for the triangle. So we have understand about the square, we understand about the circle. Now we want to concentrate on the shape of triangle. So see that, let us discuss now two triangles. Now remember these important points. Two triangles are congruent if the sides and angle of the one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and angle of the other two triangle. That is a rule for the congruence of two triangle. Always remember. So important point related is that you have to write. Now two triangles are congruent if sides and the angle of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and angle of other triangle. Now if we will draw two different triangles and if we will name it with A, B, C, P, Q, R. Now what the say is, if the sides and angle of one triangle are equal to the corresponding of other. So if I will say that angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle C, angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. That is the first concept related with the angle. Now with the sides. So AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. Now all six respects are there. Angle A with P, B with Q, C with R, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. So six respects are there. Now we can symbolically say here, again here, again here. It is called symbolically. Now if I want to make angle symbolically, I have to make one arc at here, two arc at here, and three arc at here. Or we can say in angle A with P, so one arc, angle B with Q, two arc, and angle C with R, three arc. Write this because it is the important when we want to start any concept related with the triangle. This is the important point. So that you have to write. Draw this figure and write the concept of angle and side. One more concept related with the vertex. We know that three angle, three side, and three vertex. So vertex 1A with P, vertex B with Q, vertex C with R. A with P, B with Q and C with R. So here again related with the angle, here again related with the side, and here with the vertex. Now we go and see some more example, and you have to identify that which triangle is congruence to other triangle. More triangles are here. We have to identify that which triangles are congruence. But important thing is, I think you have to make a screenshot of it also, and you have to write the point in your rough book. So first, in first topic or in first page, we have discussed about the definition of triangle that you have to write, or define or points with the triangle. In second, we can discuss about the definition of congruent. In first page, we can discuss about the definition of triangle. In second, we can discuss about the definition of congruent. And third, we can discuss about the congruence of two triangles. So 3 points that you have to write. Congruence of two triangle. First, definition of triangle and the points, that is 4 or 5 points. Second, the congruence, definition of congruence with figure. And third, congruence of two triangle. Now we go for next. See, now you have to identify that which are congruence with it. Identify which of the following triangle given below are congruent of triangle ABC, that is exercise 7. Figure 7.4, that is 1. Here it is figure 7.4. In figure 7.4, we have to identify which is similar to, which is, question is, which is similar to above it. Now give me the answer of it. All figures are there. You have to say that is the first, already here. First is similar, congruence with how many triangles you have to say. So what is the way to identify? Again say to you, we have to write. Now AB is equal to 4.5, BC is equal to 5, and AC is equal to 4. Now we will see that is anyone angle AB always. So see the second, PQR. PQ 4.5 here, PQ 4.5, BC 5, QR is equal to 5, and AC 4, RPR is equal to 4. Angle A, again one arc, again you work arc, with B 2 arc, Q 2 arc, C 1, 2 and 3, R 1, 2 and 3. So if I will shift this, then it is equal to ABC. So ABC, again triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Now you can identify one more or more, but you have to write the proper sequence. That is important. Name of a triangle is important. See now, right here, F is equal to A, B is equal to D, and C is equal to. Now FD, we can say 4.5, afterward 5, and AC. So third, we will name of it triangle. That is, we have to write like that. If you will see here PQ, but here D, we can say F, D and E. triangle. Now if you will see 3 here, 5 and 4. If you will see 3 here, 5 and 4. So again triangle ABC. It's a symbolic congruence to triangle FDE. That way you have to find out pole. Here it is not possible. Why? Because 3 sides are equal. Here we have to check whether it is possible or not. So one angle 4.54, one angle 4.54. Let me see that go more, then we can get answer. Now answer that we want to check. So here triangle ABC with PQR, already we say sides PQR fall on the corresponding. So only one they have explained it. Here 2 and 5th and turn them around to cover the ABC. Observe this. Second, third and fourth are congruent. Second, third and fourth are congruent, while 5th is not congruent. That already we have discussed. So how we can write related with? This is the symbolically form. Symbolically form that you have to write. Which way we have to write? Again, already I have written that corresponding, P corresponding to A, U corresponding to B, and R corresponding to C. So we can say QRP. We cannot write this because one congruence we have to remember. So now if you will see that different types of here. Now criteria for congruence. Every time it is not necessary that we have to prove all 6. It means if you will see properly, if I want to make 4 criteria for congruence of triangle in earlier classes, or we can see that every time again I am write and explain you. If I want to prove 2 triangle congruence, every time what I have to say? ABC PQR. Now every time I have to say angle A with angle B, angle P, angle B with angle Q, angle C with angle R. It is not necessary that every time I have to say. Again AB with BQ, BC with QR, and AC with PR. Every time we have to see 6 points are there. So it is not necessary that we have to prove every time angle B, A with P, B with Q, C with R. But there is a one criteria that is called criteria for congruence of triangle. So what are the criteria for congruence triangle that we have to see? So when 2 triangles are here, if you will see properly, 50, 50, 4, 4. When we go further, now that is the important criteria. So first criteria related with the 2 triangles, first criteria for the congruence of 2 triangle. If you will see properly, I am again draw this. Here it is side, here it is angle, here it is side. Again here it is side, here it is angle, here it is side. So we can say side, angle, side. So first rule, SAS rule, side, angle, side. 2 triangles are congruent if 2 sides and included angle. So between them, it is called included angle. Between 2 sides, the angle between 2 sides, it is called included angle. Of one triangle are equal to the side of included of other triangle. That is called SAS rules. So write this axiom 7.1, this, and draw these two figures. Then we can say that triangle ABC congruence to triangle PQR. Right now. The proof of if is not necessary, so this result cannot be proved within the help of previous known as result. So it is accept as a true as a axiom. So we have accept as a true that two triangles are congruent according to the SAS rules. One more discuss related with it. So here one question is there. Prove that these two triangles are congruent. We can easily prove it because you will see that angles are equal, opposite angles are there. Here this is the two side, again here two side. We can say that AO is equal to OB. We can say OA is equal to, and OC is equal to, we can say OD, and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. So side and angle between it, so we can say side angle side. I think they explain it here given. And vertical opposite angle, here it is side, here it is side, and between here there is a one angle AOD is equal to BOC. So we can say side angle side, two triangles are similar. So we have to prove that. And also AD parallel to BC. So here we make a Z. Two triangles are similar. Then alternate angles are also congruent. Again two parallel lines are parallel, then alternate angle pair we can. So that type of proofs is asked also. So in homework you also write example 1. Here they are giving the proof. Say alternate angle pair. So anyhow you have to write this also. What you have to write? Axiom with example 1. So that is sufficient for today's lecture. Go through it and write all the point in rough book and then in fair book. Thank you.